Which game character do you feel resembles your personality the most?
I think Killjoy.
Kratos.
I love his streams and he's the best.
Which game do you think is the best for teamwork and strategy?
Again, I'll say PUBG.
As I said, Valorant because it's a five-man game.
How do you see AI changing the future of gaming industry?
I feel games will be much more easier and compatible with everyone.
It's gonna be a boom buster.
मेरे को लगता है कि काफी heavily impact करने वाला है AI.
Is there any adventure sport that you've been wanting to try?
Cricket.
You know the Mario, the old school Mario.
Scout OP. अरे यार क्या बात है भाई अभी इधर ही थे कुछ टाइम पहले and of course he was enjoying the red carpet as well. Do you feel the industry needs more marketing companies like Amverse, DMI Pulse because you're truly leading from the front right now?
Yes, absolutely. I think, as we saw in the report also, the gaming industry is going to grow.
Yes, please, we need more marketing agencies, companies, more sponsors. We need all the support that we can get. Gaming is pretty huge in India right now and it's still growing.
I see more and more companies coming in every year and seeing gaming as an avenue, and I love that for a creator like me. What more could one ask for?
What's your take on this entire experience of the Intel Presents Dentsu IW Members India Gaming Awards?
Great experience. Third year in a row that we've been here. Third year in a row that we've won. Very excited to be here. And
I'm here for the third time, so I'm excited and I'm glad that it's continuing. It was not a one hit, one miss.
All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this incredibly historic day. This is my third year that I'm standing here. I see some familiar faces, some new faces. So a big round of applause for those that made it in time, yeah? Big round of applause. Because God knows after this whether you can make it out in time, especially because of this area that we are here in. But yeah, a wonderful day. Welcome to the Intel Presents Dentsu IWM Buzz India Gaming Awards Season 3, powered by Epic Food Partner KFC. Now this is where, as I rattle out some of these very important names in the beginning, partners, Ampus, DMI Pulse, Radio City, White Frames Art Media, and an initiative by IWM Buzz Live. तो ये तालियां हो जाएं सबके लिए. They've given the support for years and they've made sure that, this gaming community has got so much out of it. मुझे याद है वो दिन जब गेमिंग सिर्फ टाइम पास होता था. आई थिंक हम सबके लिए होता था. मम्मी पापा बोलते थे यार स्टॉप डूइंग दिस, डू समथिंग रियल, राइट? मम्मी पापा यही बोलते थे, घर पे ही बैठे रहोगे, एंड दे टू से कि चाय की दुकान पे जाओगे, और दे से यू गो टू द लोकल वेंडर, यही होगा. आई थिंक एक बहुत बड़ी चीज है जो गेम चेंजर हो गई है. इट इज नॉट अ टाइम पास इवेंट एनीमोर. लोग पर्सनल ब्रांड्स बना रहे हैं, टीम्स मैनेज कर रहे हैं, and are influencing the real millions. This is in your Instagram profile where you can suddenly say, I have like 10,000 followers, and tomorrow it becomes 60,000. These are the real followers. So big round of applause for all the real, actually influencing millions. I've seen the gamers, they have an incredible power over the people. और आज की शाम इसी revolution को हम celebrate कर रहे हैं उन creators, competitors और innovators के नाम जो gaming को एक movement बना रहे हैं. Let's raise our controllers to a future where gaming isn't just a pastime, it is, and it's become prime time, and that's why I think we're all here. Sath hi sath, a big shout out to, and this is where our team says it, right? IWM Buzz, big round of applause. India का असली pop culture अड्डा है. हर साल IWM Buzz Digital Awards के जरिए best digital और OTT talent को spotlight में लेके आते हैं. And esports is not the future. It is right here, right now. They've given the right spot for all this. I've actually been involved for 2-3 years and I've seen the growth. Initially, when we first came here, we used to talk about how big is the gaming culture. Now we don't need to know that. We know how big it is. We're just looking at the future. How quickly is it going to go there? और अगर digital world और gaming की दुनिया में किसी को game changer का tag मिलता है, where is he? So Siddharth Laik, who's hiding at the back there. A big round of applause for him. He's incredibly chilled, only works on WhatsApp, doesn't make too many calls, but gets it done. जितनी तेजी से नए नए टैलेंट और आइडियाज को स्पॉट करते हैं, लगता है गेमिंग में भी उनका हिडन रेडार लगा हुआ है. चाहे नए गेमर्स हो, कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हो या ई स्पोर्ट्स इनोवेटर्स, अगर सिद्धार्थ सर ने नोटिस कर लिया तो आपकी तकदीर बदल गई. सो सिद्धार्थ सर, आप इन्हें फाउंडर, डायरेक्टर, क्रिएटर, इनोवेटर के साथ गेमिंग का असली लेवल अप बॉस भी कह सकते हैं. तो जोरदार तालियां सभी के लिए. इट्स बीन अ फैंटास्टिक 2-3 years and we've come to this stage today. Ladies and gentlemen, gamers and game changers today are very happy that we have someone who's actually at the helm of affairs, the CEO of Dentsu, Mr. Harsha Razdan, sitting right here, जो आज यहाँ पर कुछ special unveil करने वाले हैं. But before we call him on stage, मैं आपको Dentsu के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ. Founded in 1901 in Tokyo, is a global growth and transformation partner operating in 120 countries. It delivers impactful end-to-end solutions across media, creative, and CXM, driving sustainable growth for brands, people, and society through innovation and business transformation. डेंसू गेमिंग वर्ल्ड में अपनी अलग ही हाई स्कोर सेट कर रहा है. उनका डेंसू गेमिंग इनिशिएटिव ब्रांड्स को गेमिंग इकोसिस्टम में नेविगेट करना और गेम्स के साथ कनेक्ट करने में मदद कर रहा है. Can I please welcome the man himself, the CEO, Mr. Harsha Razdan. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. People always talk about a game-changing association, but thank you for coming on board. Did it take many phone calls and many emails for you to say yes, or was it one of those quick gun Murugans?
It's very similar to what you said about Siddharth. When
Yeah.
he messages someone, you can't say no.
Yeah.
So it wasn't too much effort. And
Absolutely.
this is at the core of heart of Densu.
Yeah.
I had to be here.
I think they're all leveling up a little bit. Densu Gaming को अपना core service में और integrate करने के लिए, I'm sure there has to be there's an understanding that you have, there's an understanding the brands have. What initiatives are you taking to bridge this gap?
So I think you're trying to guess my 2025 strategy.
Absolutely, obviously. This is not the 5-year plan. This is the next month ka plan onwards.
Yeah, right. Salil, good question. And we have various tools which we call as CCS. We
Yeah.
call it as the DMC toolkit.
Yeah.
Now, the trailer coming in next year, and then some younger people who do a better job than me. Come Jan, Feb, March, we will relaunch in a very package in a new format. Right?
Nice.
Our research or the connect with the brands in that manner. So I think come next year, our toolkits for the brand marketeers will include gaming, i.e. Gen Z,
Nice.
and live research to the kind of work we've done with IWM Buzz.
बहुत बढ़िया. एक भी सर क्रीज नहीं है. इनकी सारी जो प्रॉब्लम्स थी सब निकल गई हैं. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Really was a pleasure to have you on stage with us, and we'll look forward to meeting you more and also looking at that insightful report in a bit. Thank you very much. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. To the first segment, the jury awards. That's right, what you've come for. So this sets the game and the ball rolling for tonight. The jury awards starting, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause. ये वो एक्सपर्ट्स हैं जो गेमिंग की दुनिया के असली चैंपियंस हैं. इनके लिए लैग फ्री लाइफ एक रियलिटी है और गेम ओवर का मतलब बस नया गेम की शुरुआत है. हमारा पहला अवार्ड उस गेम के लिए है जो हर गेमर को दिल की धड़कन बना चुका है, जो रोज रात भर खेलने पे मजबूर कर देता है, जिसके बारे में गेमर्स दिन रात सोचते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the Naptics most popular game of the year. And the nominees are Bloom, Artifice War Tactics, 1971 Naval Front, Laser Tanks Pixel RPG, Battle Stars. And to present this award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Chirag Shah, co-founder and investor, Naptics. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. Please.
I think we have two winners here.
Yep.
The winner is Bloom and Pixel RPG.
Big smile on your face. You won. Thank you.
I think I want to devote it to my parents. A small message for all the indie devs out there. Just keep working on your dream project and one day it will all be worth it.
Absolutely. Wise words said. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for joining us on stage. Thank you, sir. Thank you. अगला अवार्ड उन जीनियसेस के लिए है जो गेमिंग की दुनिया बनाते हैं, वो मास्टरमाइंड्स जो पिक्सेल्स को मैजिक में बदलते हैं. Let's give it up for the Game Development Studio of the Year. The nominees are Studio Sera, Sylvine Studios, Super Gaming, Rail Studios, and Lucid Labs. I'd like to call on stage Dr. Anurag Batra, founder and editor-in-chief, Business World, somebody who's so famous, we see him everywhere. I'd like to call you on stage, sir. And Anita Kotwani, CEO, Media, South Asia, Dentsu. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir.
And the winner is Studio Sera and Super Gaming.
All right. Congratulations. Congratulations. Nice big white smile.
Thank you very much, IWM Buzz, for this prestigious award. This is also second time in a row that we're winning this award. Thank you very much for this kind honor, and we're going to keep developing more games. We're going to keep putting our best foot forward. So thank you.
Yeah, firstly, thank you IWM Buzz for, creating this IP. We've been successfully running it for 2 years. This is the third edition. Great. And also the jury for voting for us. Really happy to be here. And we are a indie game dev studio out of Bangalore, and we make games on Indian epics. So just check out Kurukshetra Ascension on Steam, Google Play Store, App Store, wherever. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, presenters. Do stay back. Ladies and gentlemen, इस साल e-sports ने एक नया मुकाम हासिल किया है. 2024 में e-sports का जुनून और भी ऊंचा हो गया है, जहां करोड़ों फैंस ने अपनी स्क्रीन्स ने अपने फेवरेट टीम्स और प्लेयर्स को compete करते हुए देखा है. From epic strategies to jaw-dropping plays, esports has not just captured our screens, but also our hearts. So for the most popular esports title of the year, the nominees are BGMI, that's Battleground Mobile India, Valorant, Pokemon Unite, CODM, and Real Cricket. And our presenters already on stage will announce the winners.
The most popular esports title of the year goes to BGMI Battlegrounds Mobile India.
Well done, gentlemen.
All I want to say is thank you for all the love and support.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate for the contribution of each and everyone, the influencers, organizers, everyone, for contributing towards growing Indian esports ecosystem.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. अगला अवार्ड उन हीरोज के नाम है जो ई स्पोर्ट्स के टूर्नामेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, जिनकी वजह से गेमिंग एक सिंपल हॉबी से बढ़कर एक सीरियस और प्रेस्टिजियस अरीना में बदल चुका है. एंड टू प्रेजेंट दिस अवार्ड आई लाइक टू कॉल ऑन स्टेज मिस्टर अमित वाधवा, सीईओ, साउथ एशिया, डेंसू क्रिएटिव. वेलकम सर. गुड टू हैव यू बैक.
So the winner for esports tournament organizer of the year is Nodwin Gaming.
Congratulations.
Thank you everyone, and actually I will say thank you to our publisher, our players who always support us and always make us number one in the country. Now not even in the country, in the South Asia also.
Wow. That's called swag, coming on stage and saying I love it. Love it. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. To present the next award, Intel Core Ultra Esports Tournament of the Year, let's welcome on stage the brand agency partner, and a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up to Mr. Tejveer Singh Bham, Senior Executive, Dentsu Agency Partner for Intel. Let me read the nominees before you announce the winner, sir. 1 minute. The nominees are BGMS Season 2, Pokemon Unite India Open, Convergence 2023, BGIS 2023, Sky Esports Championship 5.0, and the winner is?
And the winner is BGMS Season 2.
BGMS Season 2, congratulations. I have a feeling it's going to be one of those nights. You should sit in front. आगे का सीट ले लो. This always happens right at the beginning. Thank you so much. अगला अवार्ड सेलिब्रेट करते हैं उन पब्लिकेशंस को जो गेमिंग और ई स्पोर्ट्स की दुनिया की कहानियां दुनिया तक पहुंचाते हैं, जो हर अपडेट, हर ट्रेंड और हर हाईलाइट को स्पॉटलाइट में लाते हैं. प्रेजेंटिंग द अवार्ड फॉर गेमिंग एंड ई स्पोर्ट्स पब्लिकेशन ऑफ द ईयर, एंड द नॉमिनीज आर IGN India, Sports Kida, Talk Esports, AFK Gaming. And to present this award, Mr. Manavendra Davar, Director, APAC Platforms. Can we have him on stage? A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
And the award goes to, let's have some suspense, AFK Gaming.
Well done. Congratulations. So, it was one of those ones. Were you feeling that? In just a few words, you want to thank? That would be nice.
I think I'm just a generally calm person, but yeah,
Right.
third time in a row, very happy to have received this.
Yeah.
About a year ago, we made a big pivot. We deleted everything that we were doing on the site. We put
Right.
everything behind a paywall.
Wow.
This award is kind of validation that we're going in the right direction. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for being on stage. गेमिंग की एनर्जी और एक्साइटमेंट को नेक्स्ट लेवल ले जाने के लिए इस साल हमारे एपिक पार्टनर है KFC with their finger licking goodness. KFC Epic Game Fan Contest ने हर एस्पिरेशनल गेमर को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया to showcase their passion for gaming and the love for KFC. आज हम यहाँ हैं to felicitate the ultimate KFC Epic Game fan जो जीत रहा है now एक free supply of KFC for a year. Yes, time है to announce करना हमारे विनर्स का नाम, और इस लकी विनर को फेलिसिटेट करने के लिए स्टेज पर मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा शशिधर, SMR Gaming. MR, can we have you on stage to give 1 year supply of KFC to one lucky winner? The winner is पुनीत निर्मल रामचंदाने. आपको देख के लगता नहीं है सर 1 साल का सप्लाई खा पाएंगे, बट गुड लक. Congratulations.
Congrats. Just want to say that never give up on your dreams, nothing else.
Yes.
Just keep going in your life. You will achieve one of it.
Absolutely. Manifestation is the name of the game. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you very much. A round of applause for our winner. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 year supply he gets. Fantastic. The next award is for the Intel Core Ultra Esports Athlete of the Year. And the nominees are Charanjot Singh, Jash Lan Shah, Ganesh SK Rossi Gangadhar, Khush Joker Singh, Amar Destro Khan, Jonathan Gaming Amaral. And to present this award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Aditya Pandit, Director Digital Planning Dentsu, Agency Partner for Intel. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Finally to represent Intel and Dentsu both. All right, and the winner is Amar Destro Khan.
Was not one of my favorite characters in G.I. Joe, Destro, but yeah, always works. Congratulations and a few words, please.
Yeah, thank you so much, IWM Buzz, for this incredible honor. So at first, I would like to thank my teammates for their collective effort.
Yeah.
This is all because of that. Second, to my family for this endless love and support. And a special thank you to Mr. K.R. Rohit, who is the CEO of God's Reign, for his belief in me. His guidance has been truly invaluable. At last, I want to leave you all with this. If I, a boy who gave his everything to esports and never thought of anything else could achieve this, then anyone can.
Wow.
Hard work and dedication is all it takes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Before we move on, we'd like to thank our sponsors once again that have allowed us to party tonight. Intel presents Dentsu IWM Buzz India Gaming Awards Season 3, powered by Epic Food Partner KFC in association with Sterling Reserve, Naptix, Partners, Ampverse, DMI Pulse, Radio City, White Frames Art Media, an initiative by IWM Buzz Live, creative partner, Indian Storytellers. A huge round of applause for all of them that are making this possible. So let's get started. हमारा अगला अवार्ड सेलिब्रेट करता है उन क्रिएटर्स को जो अपने कंटेंट से गेमिंग की दुनिया में धमाल मचा रहे हैं, जो मीम्स में मजाक, गेम प्ले में स्वैग और वीडियोस में फुल ऑन एंटरटेनमेंट ला रहे हैं, फैंस के लिए असली सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करने वाले क्रिएटर्स. Ladies and gentlemen, this award is for Rising Content Creator of the Year. And to present this award, I'd like to call on stage Mr. Vinod Thadani, Chief Growth Officer Media, Dentsu. Welcome, sir.
Before I announce, I think I should compliment.
Really?
You're doing a fantastic
Thank
job.
you so
mate.
much, sir. Thank you.
Really, I love the energy.
Thank you.
And the winner is Shashidhar SMR Gaming. MR.
Sir, before you say a few words.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ನಾನು ಬಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವೆ ಮೈ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಇನ್ ಗೇಮಿಂಗ್ 6 years.
Wow.
So this is the first time I am representing Karnataka and I am winning some award from Karnataka.
Well done there. Congratulations.
So, I'm really proud of this and thank you so much. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬೆಳಿತೀನಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿನ ಬೇರೆ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
Our next award is for Sterling Reserve Dynamic Content Creator of the Year. And to present this award, Mr. Akshay Vadera, Brand Manager, Allied Blenders and Distillers Limited. I'd like to call you on stage, sir, to give away the next award. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
The winner is Salman Abid Mamba Ahmad.
A few words here and there just for, I know it's been very tough for a lot of people also. I know how people reflect back the last year, बड़ा मुश्किल रहा है या बड़ा अच्छा रहा है. But just generally आगे look forward करते हुए. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि awards तो जीत जाते हैं, लेकिन आगे का plan क्या रहता है आपका?
To be really honest, मेरा कोई plan नहीं रहता आगे का.
अच्छा.
I just want to, I have always tried to live in the moment. ताकि ज़्यादा आगे का प्लान होता है तो एग्जीक्यूशन में भी डिफिकल्टी होती है. सो डे बाय डे, वन डे एट अ टाइम वाला एग्जीक्यूशन ज़्यादा बेहतर लगता है मुझे. एंड क्योंकि दिस इज माय फर्स्ट नॉमिनेशन, फर्स्ट अवार्ड.
वाह, कांग्रेट्स. अंदर से कुछ ऐसे हो रहा है, दर दर
पैर कांप रहे हैं. लेकिन 5.5 साल हो गया एंड आई रियली आई एम ओवरवेल्म्ड इस चीज़ के लिए. एंड थैंक यू सो मच IWM अवार्ड्स एंड इंडिया गेमिंग अवार्ड्स फॉर रिकग्नाइजिंग मी. और ये मुझे आज इस चीज़ से
Congratulations.
एंड स्पेशल थैंक्स टू मिस्टर 8-bit थग, अनिमेश अग्रवाल, गोल्डी भाई एंड मॉर्टल, जिन लोगों ने हमेशा हर चीज़ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स में साथ दिया. मेरी SA12 फैमिली, एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली मेरी, जिनको मैं चीता गैंग बोलता हूँ. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. दिस वुड हैव नॉट बीन पॉसिबल विदाउट यू ऑल.
अगला अवार्ड उनके लिए है जो सिर्फ गेम प्ले के किंग नहीं, स्टाइल के भी बादशाह हैं, जो हर मैच के साथ अपना स्वैग और एटीट्यूड लेके आते हैं. प्रेजेंटिंग the Radio City Stylish Gamer of the Year Male. And to present this award, I'd like to invite on stage a representative, Abhinav Shukla, Managing Partner, Acme Group, founder of First and Neha Sethi Mehta, Sales Lead, Ampverse, DMI. Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have Abhinav and Neha Sethi on stage, please?
The award goes to Ocean Gaming Pro Ocean Sharma.
There he is, Ocean. So lastly, he was co-hosting with me. It's amazing to actually have him there. And now he's won. Not him, that's the team.
And there's one more winner.
Yeah.
Gulrez Joker Ki Haveli.
Congratulations, brother.
Hi, congratulations.
First of all, this is my first award ever in my life.
Arey wow, congrats. Wow.
Share. I still remember. Leo. So I still remember, like in my past days, I used to give fashion tips to my fans.
Right.
And they used to ask me different questions. भाई बंदी सेट करनी यार कुछ कपड़े बता दे. भाई डेट पे जाना है, शादी पे जाना है. So I used to like give them fashion tips.
Right.
And अच्छा लगता था, कभी कोई पूछता था और कभी like ऐसा पता नहीं था कि award मिलेगा मुझे. And thanks to my all fans and thanks to my SATL team who always supported me. And thank you so much everyone.
I'd like to present this to stay back. Thank you so much. Thank you. अब बात करते हैं उन दीवास की जो गेमिंग के अरीना में अपने स्किल से धमाका कर रहे हैं और अपने स्टाइल से सबको दीवाना बना रहे हैं. प्रेजेंटिंग द स्टाइलिश गेमर ऑफ द ईयर फीमेल, पायल गेमिंग धरे, काशवी काश प्लेज हिरनंदानी, शगुफ्ता जाया इकबाल, महक मीजो प्लेज, साक्षी शेट्टी, अंकिता सी चौहान. एंड द विनर इज
And the winner is Sakshi Sarkashe Shetty.
all right. And deservedly so, dressed immaculately and looking lovely, Sakshi.
So I was nominated for 3 categories, but I'm excited about this one because these are the 2 things that I really like. I really like gaming, and I also like decking up, looking presentable, and putting my best version forward. So I'm happy that India Gaming Awards has this category which mixes like style and gaming, and they thought I'm worthy of winning it. So thank you so much. Thank you guys, and my all godlike. So yeah, thank you.
The next award is Epic Streamer of the Year Male, and the nominees are Ravichandra Gaming, Thamisen Vigneshwar, Mithilesh Mythpad Patankar, Anshu Game of Lead Bhisht, Tanmay Scout Singh, Aditya Dynamo Gaming Savant, Raj Snacks Verma, Parv Soul Regalto Singh, Jonathan Gaming Amaral, Rishabh Rakazone Gaming Karanwal, Yash Lols Gaming Thakkar, Salman 8-Bit Mamba Ahmed. And to present this award, I'd like to call on stage Pallavi Jha, Deputy Brand Manager, Social Media and Content, KFC. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I've got a lovely little KFC little bucket that comes in with the actual winner there. That's pretty nice.
The winner is Parv Soul Regalto Singh. Many congratulations to you.
बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड है सर, कुछ शब्द हो जाए.
थैंक यू ईच एंड एवरीवन. एंड मेरे से ज़्यादा आई थिंक मेरे फैंस खुश होंगे क्योंकि उनको ज़्यादा वेट था कि नॉमिनेट तो हो जाता है पर जाता कहाँ है पता नहीं. तो थैंक यू ईच एंड एवरीवन. थैंक यू SATL एंड मेरी फैमिली सबको.
दोस्तों आज के इवेंट में एक और एपिक फीचर है KFC फोटो ऑफ बूथ. यहाँ आप सिर्फ अपने फिंगर लिकिंग स्नैक्स का मजा नहीं बल्कि एक परफेक्ट फोटो ले सकते हैं. इट्स राइट आउटसाइड है. अपने सोशल मीडिया गेम को भी नेक्स्ट लेवल पर आप ले जा सकते हैं. अपने स्क्वाड के साथ एक एपिक मोमेंट कैप्चर कीजिए और गेमिंग और KFC कॉम्बोस को सेलिब्रेट कीजिए. सो डोंट मिस इट. व्हेन यू गो आउट देयर मेक श्योर यू सी व्हाट्स ऑल अराउंड देयर. लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट इज एक्चुअली गॉन आउट टू मेक दैट देयर. सो एक्चुअली गो चेक इट आउट. अगला अवार्ड उन वॉइसेस के लिए है जो हर मैच को एपिक बनाते हैं. All the guys that put in all the words and make sure watching the game action is fun. जो एक्शन के हर मोमेंट को अपनी कमेंट्री से और भी थ्रिलिंग बनाते हैं. The voices of the battlefield, the storytellers of esports, presenting the award for esports caster of the year. The nominees are Ocean Gaming Pro Ocean Sharma, Zishan Mezi Alam, Ankit Ankibot Pandey, Ranjit Mamba SR Patel, Varun Supajani, John and Piyush Sparrow Batla. And I'd like to call on stage Yatnesh Pandey, VP Marketing Greenply Industries Limited to give that award. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And you have the award, please.
So the first winner is the Ankit Ankibot Pandey.
First of all, a lot of thanks to all the jury members जिनको ऐसा लगा कि मैं deserving हूँ. और ये अवार्ड बहुत ज़्यादा मीन करते हैं. ऑब्वियसली मेरे लिए मेरा पहला गेमिंग अवार्ड है एंड अ लॉट ऑफ नेम्स जो भी मेरे दिमाग में आ रही है जिनको मुझे थैंक करना चाहिए, स्टार्टिंग विद माई कंपनी टेस्टरेक ई स्पोर्ट्स, गौतम अन्ना जिन्होंने मेरे को स्टार्टिंग से बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया, स्पीरो यहाँ पे बैठे हुए मैंने भी उसको स्पॉट किया, ऑल द को कमेंटेटर्स दैट आई हैव, मेरी स्पीरो, ओशन, वो हमेशा ही मेरे साथ रहते हैं. एंड आई ऑलवेज फील लाइक कास्टिंग कभी भी किसी एक पर्सन का जॉब नहीं होता, इट्स ऑलवेज 2 or 3 जो ऑन डेस्क होते हैं जो उसको और अच्छा बनाते हैं. एंड साथ ही साथ क्राफ्टन इंडिया ई स्पोर्ट्स के जितने भी लोग हैं मैं उनको अपना बड़ा भाई मानता हूँ. सो या बिग थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ देम. एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर किसी एक इंसान को ये अवार्ड डेडिकेट करना हो तो आई डेडिकेट इट टू माई फादर, बिकॉज उन्होंने राइट फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प किया है. सो या दिस इज फॉर हिम.
And this is a joint winner thing. Please stay, Ankit. So there is another winner, Piyush Spero Batla.
Congratulations. सर आपके भी कुछ शब्द हो जाएं.
To be honest, I'm happy. I hope मेरे पेरेंट्स भी प्राउड फील कर रहे होंगे. ये मेरा भी पहला अवार्ड है by the way.
अरे वाह.
So, I would like to thank my lovely wife who's sitting there. Thank you so much, Sakshi. I love you. I would like to thank my company, Global Esports, Dr. Rishindra Sinha, who supported me always, and Crafton India Esports. Karan Pathak is not here, but the team is here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for having me always in your tournaments. To Riot as well, it's just amazing. Like the journey has been amazing. I don't know what to say next, but thank you so much, and I love you, Mom.
So sweet. Thank you so much. Presenting the award for Path-Breaking Caster of the Year. And Yatesh sir, आपके हाथ में विनर का नाम है. Please do let us know.
Going to the Ocean Gaming Pro. Ocean.
All right. Listen, you've been with Ocean for many years. You've been there in the room last year when we were discussing so much. You've been part of his journey. I want you to say a few words.
I have been with him since last year only, so he can tell like his journey about better.
Yeah.
But honored to be here on behalf of Ocean to accept this. Thank you IWM for the recognition and for believing in his journey. And he couldn't be here due to an emergency, but he has sent his regards and wishes to everyone. Thank you so much.
Okay, wonderful brother. Thanks so much. Thank you. हमारा अगला अवार्ड उन गेमर्स के लिए है जो गेमिंग की बाउंड्रीज को पुश करते हैं और हर बार नए बेंचमार्क सेट करते हैं. एंड टू प्रेजेंट दिस अवार्ड आई लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज तेजवीर सिंह बाम, सीनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव डेंसू एजेंसी पार्टनर फॉर इंटेल.
So winner is Tanmay Scout Singh.
बड़ा अवार्ड तन्मय, प्लीज सम वर्ड्स. लोग ऑलवेज बोलते हैं ना कि अवार्ड्स हमारे लिए कितने मायने रखते हैं, ये आज हमें पता लग रहा है. यू नो व्हेन वी गो ओवर देयर, वो आपको लगता है कि यार बस थैंक गॉड.
आई थिंक गेमिंग को प्रॉपर रिकॉग्निशन मिल रहा है अब जाके, जो काफ़ी सालों से मिसिंग आउट था. और ये अच्छा लगता है अवार्ड, क्योंकि एक टाइप का आपको पता है कि आप काम सही कर रहे हो और आप सही तरीके से चल रहे हो आगे. सो दैट्स इट.
अगला अवार्ड है उनके लिए जो गेमिंग की दुनिया के नए शाइनिंग स्टार्स हैं, जो हर स्ट्रीम और मैच से अपना नाम बनाते जा रहे हैं. सो गेट रेडी टू चीयर फॉर द फैन फेवरेट राइजिंग स्टार मेल. एंड टू प्रेजेंट दिस अवार्ड, केतन भारती, ब्रांड एंड मार्केटिंग कंसल्टेंट. कैन वी हैव यू ऑन स्टेज प्लीज?
And the winner is Tahir Fungo FF Mukhtar.
भविष्य के बारे में ताहिर आपसे बात की जा रही है कि भविष्य आपको माना जा रहा है. जब भी लोग स्पोर्ट्स की बात करते हैं, इट्स ऑलवेज अबाउट ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्ट, चाहे वो ई गेमिंग हो चाहे कुछ भी हो. दे ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड टू द फ्यूचर.
Thank you so much for this. I'm really grateful for this. Although it's my first, but definitely it won't be the last.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Presenting the fan favorite rising star female, the nominees are Pragya Winter Verma, Saloni Meow 16K Pawar, Ayushi Eclairs Cantura, Swayambika Sway Sachar, Ria Bachu Verma, Natasha Vaishnavi Natasha Gaming, Lakshmi Evilax Gaming Chauhan, and Neetu Gaming. And the winner is...
Yeah, so there are two winners, Ria Bachu Verma and Swayambika Sway Sachar.
Ladies, congratulations. You all are looking lovely, first of all, I have to say this. But you know, a lot of it is also about like so many first-timers are winning awards today. Just the feelings that you're having, knowing that we did it, and here we are. So we'd love to hear from you all.
First of all, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Godlike and Godlike fans. Thank you so much, Cronton. This is my first award.
Oh, another big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Congrats.
I'm feeling quite nervous right now. I don't know why. Being a non-gamer, मुझे अभी 1 month हुआ actually gaming industry में.
Wow.
And audience मुझे ये deserving समझ रही है ये Rising Award, and I will definitely prove this. And I want to convey one message, like जो being a non-gamer, जो भी future में gaming start करना चाहते हैं, उसकी कोई age नहीं है.
ज़्यादा लंबी स्पीच नहीं दूंगी. मेरा भी फर्स्ट अवार्ड है.
अरे वाह, congrats.
फर्स्ट अवार्ड है, बट लाइक लास्ट अवार्ड आई डोंट थिंक सो.
अब जो मजेदार सीन्स यहाँ पे हो रहे हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स लाइक अ मूवी, वॉचिंग एंटरटेनमेंट, राइट? लेकिन यहाँ पे आप सबके हाथ खाली हैं, मेरे हाथ यहाँ भरे हुए हैं और अभी भरने वाले हैं, बिकॉज हमारा फेवरेट स्नैक मेरे हाथ में है, पॉपकॉर्न. नाउ विदाउट पॉपकॉर्न एंटरटेनमेंट इवेंट कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकता. बट यू नो, माय फेवरेट पॉपकॉर्न इज नॉट जस्ट द सिंपल पॉपकॉर्न. It's KFC's chicken popcorn. So actually, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to do something that my parents told me, kabhi mat karna beta, never speak with food in your mouth. But today, I'm actually going to break that rule that my parents have told me. Perfectly crispy, super tasty, और हर occasion को और मजेदार, मेरी हर craving का answer. Call me बेशरम, but this unfortunately is not at all for you. It is only for me and it's going to stay with me right here. The chicken popcorn from KFC is fantastic, guys. Big round of applause. And apologies for munching in front of you all like this. It shall continue for a few more minutes. The flavor, the taste is just next level. अगर सबसे ज़्यादा KFC chicken popcorn खाने का कोई gaming competition होता, I'm pretty sure, looking at my size, I 100% win it. But अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं taste किया है तो KFC का chicken popcorn ज़रूर indulge करें. Trust me, you're missing out on some of the entertainment and some of the flavor that you could see here. It is something epic. So yeah, something I'm really looking forward to. इस शानदार शाम को अगर आप थोड़ी और शानदार बनाना चाहते हैं, I want people to, as they walk out, take pictures, hashtag India Gaming Awards. I know none of you all have left the building, so that hashtag hasn't gone, right? Has anybody posted a picture yet? No, because we'll edit it later, put a nice trending music on, then when we put the reel on, just make sure you do hashtag India Gaming Awards. Is that a deal? Yeah, we'll do that much. We'll all edit it nicely at the end. And at the rate, IWM Buzz is the handle that we want to all tag. अगर शाम को थोड़ा और क्लासी और रिफ्रेशिंग बनाना है, so apart from eating this lovely popcorn, I've also got Zoya cocktail booth for you. Perfect drinks, perfect vibe or perfect break. Make sure to drop by and sip into something special. Right, moving ahead. I have not agreed with what people have said. We had the privilege of hearing Mr. Harsha talk about the very exciting Dentsu report launch. और अब he was talking about those insights, you know, very valuable insights required for you guys to go forward. But we'd only talked about them. We hadn't shown you the insights that would actually bridge the gap that you need to sort of take this forward, right? तो डिटेल में समझने के लिए हमारे साथ हैं मिस्टर नारायण देवनाथन, President and Chief Strategy Officer, South Asia, Dentsu. Can we please have Mr. Narayan on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Good to have you on stage.
Take it away.
How has it been so far? You know, it's always an eye-opener whenever you come to an awards night and you see the other gamers, the community itself. Sometimes it's very close-knit and it's like a, you know, invitation-only party, but it's really, really growing. So just your idea, just about what's been happening with gaming. Are you up to date with what's happening? Do you follow some of the gamers yourself?
I didn't expect tough questions right off the bat. मैं तो अभी दिल्ली से अभी आया हूँ मैं 2 घंटे पहले.
जी.
And somebody asked me as I walked in कि शादी पे आए हो क्या? मैंने कहा शादी पे तो नहीं आया हूँ, but free का खाना है मैंने सुना तो मैंने कहा dress up करके आ जाता हूँ.
Correct.
But no, I think it's a fantastic question.
Yeah.
I don't want to reveal the answers because that's what the report
That's what the
does.
report says, yes.
But there are 3-4 things I do want to say.
Ji.
Which lead up to what my colleague Abhi Vishwas is going to talk to us about with the report.
Yeah.
Some of you may have heard of this guy called Malcolm Gladwell. वो ऐसे मेरे तरह गुंगरालू बाल उसके.
Right.
उसने एक बार बोला था कि the paradox of cool
right.
is that when many people recognize it as cool, it stops being cool.
Right.
And we've seen it happen with social media, right?
Yeah.
सबने Facebook adopt कर लिया. You know, people like me started getting to Facebook, and the young people left Facebook. Right? Snap के साथ अभी हुआ नहीं है.
Yes.
Insta के साथ हो रहा है.
Right.
When the older people come, the younger people leave.
Yeah.
But it's not happened with gaming.
Right.
Because as one of the winners just said, na, कि gaming is for everyone.
Yeah.
Age is not a barrier, right? And that's one of the fantastic things about gaming, is that it is actually bringing out the best of us. Right? You look at movies, you look at cinema, we are too entrenched in showing realism.
Yeah.
We've forgotten to have fun.
Yeah.
And gaming is bringing us back to that world that says, छोड़ो यार, reality जैसा है, but let's have some fun in the world, right?
No, we're seeing that with the box office numbers now, sir. We've forgotten to have fun, and that's why we've forgotten to make money at the box office.
Which is why, thankfully, Pushpa जैसी movies आ रहे तो अच्छा
Yes,
है,
yeah.
but we have gaming,
Yeah.
right? But it's about taking what we know about gaming, and as someone was saying, thank you for bringing gaming to this stage. Actually, we are not bringing gaming to the stage. You guys are doing that, right? And some of you know the numbers. Maybe the numbers will not surprise you, but there are 14 crore gamers in India.
Wow.
And I'm not talking about real money gaming, just what you guys do. Pure play gaming, 14 crores. And every year...
A big round of applause for that, actually. Wow.
Right? And every year that number is growing by 25%. Right? Which means that you are going to be bigger and better canvas and audience for people to engage with. Right? And all of these are there in the report. But the report is not meant to just bring up the numbers. It's to tell your story to the world so that everybody sits up and takes notice that यहाँ कुछ चल रहा है और हमें भी इसमें शामिल होना चाहिए. Right? And those 3-4 things are just a few of the clues that you'll find in the Dentsu Gaming report. But I'm not going to take up too much more of this, of your time, of our time, to tell you what else is there. Hopefully you'll get a copy of it as you step out. But to give you a lot more details, I'm going to bring in one of the authors of the Dentsu Gaming report, Abhik Biswas, AVP of Consumer Insights at Dentsu. Abhik, over to you.
Yes, over to you, sir.
Well, thank you, Narayan, and good evening, everyone. Well, it's a good evening with, surrounded by all these gamers who share this collective passion for gaming. So, कुछ नहीं चल रहा है, as Narayan said, बहुत कुछ चल रहा है यहाँ पे. Earlier this evening, Salil and Harsha said, उनका first game Mario था. I was like, यार, was I born earlier or were they born earlier? क्योंकि मेरा first game Mario नहीं था. I remember my first game was मेरे friend का एक machine आया था, which was a DOS Windows. वो black and white, उसमें disk operating system बोलते हैं उसमें. उसमें मैंने 8-bit Prince of Persia खेला. And I was like, अरे वाह, ये क्या चीज़ है यार? आप खुद बन गए हो, अंदर कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के अंदर आ गए हो. And then I went to SL World, I played a Sega, that motorbike वाला game, and there was no turning back. मैंने गली के पास एक गेमिंग आर्केड खोजा, पैसे जुटाए मैंने, और मारियो फिर आया मेरे ज़िंदगी में. मारियो, कॉन्ट्रा, कंग फू फाइटर, ये सब. फिर मेरे पास एक कंप्यूटर आया जिसमें मैंने NFS 2, if some of you remember NFS 2, Need for Speed 2 और Mortal Kombat 4. एंड उस टाइम पे एक मैगजीन्स आया करते थे कंप्यूटर गेमिंग के ऊपर. उसमें मुझे एक हाफ लाइफ का डेमो CD मिला. आई इंस्टॉल्ड इट एंड फर्स्ट पर्सन शूटर, एंड देयर वाज नो लुकिंग बैक. एंड बीइंग वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट गेम्स, Half-Life changed my life. And recently I came to know they celebrated their 25th anniversary. But that game seems so fresh and so immersive, वो कल जैसा लगता है. लगता ही नहीं है कि 25 साल हो गए उस गेम को खेले हुए. With Half-Life 2 and Half-Life 3 पता नहीं कब आएगा. And with that, I feel that I am very thankful that I am surrounded with all you guys here to celebrate the passion for gaming, the endeavor that we have made in the gaming industry. And by gaming industry, as Narayan mentioned, we are not talking about real money gaming or RMG. We are only talking about the gaming we all play for entertainment and fun. And with our research report, we strived to celebrate this industry. So ये industry में है क्या? Let's just set the context. We call this the Indian pure play gaming industry. Currently, the Indian pure play gaming industry stands at around 6,700 crores. And this is growing at around 25%, 24.97% to be very exact, year on year. And by 2026, we expect this industry to be around 10,400 crores. That's a huge number. And this industry is driven while जो भी हमें पता चलता है कि मोबाइल इंटरनेट बढ़ रहा है, इंटरनेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बढ़ रहा है, 5G आ गया है. Everyone has a smartphone, which now they don't have to buy a PlayStation or a high-end gaming machine to play the high-end games, the high-quality games. Now everyone has a mobile phone in their hands and they can play the awesome high-quality content on their machines. So I would think of this as a hero's journey. We would have all heard of the hero's journey, कि hero घर से निकला, उसको calling आया, उसने लड़ाई करी, fight मारा, फिर वापस जीता वो और घर पे आया. But I found the gamer's journey equally interesting and equally adventurous. And by gamer's journey, I mean, how does one become a pro from a beginner? That journey. This journey usually starts from casual interest in gaming. कि अच्छा मेरा friend खेल रहा है, मैंने YouTube में देखा है, इंटरनेट में देखा है, क्या है चलो खेल के देखते हैं. And how do we celebrate this achievement and take it to the next level? Like Harsha said, we have a plan for 2020. Like Salil said, 2030 तक करना है ये. How do we increase this industry? What the research recommended that we should start by fostering a gaming culture, an Indian gaming culture, not just copying the foreign games. We should imbibe our local rich culture in the games, which the larger audience resonates with. Plus, having global trends and the gameplay dynamics imbibed into it. And to achieve this, we need a long-term vision to have a global competitiveness like China. They had the first AAA title of Black Myth Wukong and it broke the internet. Likewise, we need to have a long-term vision to have global competitiveness and sustainable growth. And isse we will have investments in game development. We should have policies in place to subsidize animation, VFX, and reduce the production costs. And this will finally help the local gaming community thrive with high-quality game development. And we should then boost these with gaming events, sponsorships, to nurture the local and emerging gaming talent. And further, as this culture is cemented, we should imbibe this gaming culture in schools and university curriculum, where game development creates a clear pathways. There should be scholarship programs for the budding, aspiring gamers, along with game development aspirational students to create a clear career pathway for in this ecosystem. And in this Dentsu India Gaming Awards, which we have done with IWM Buzz, we will find many such insights and roadmaps to take this Indian gaming industry to the boss level. And this is the inaugural edition of the report, and we have just tried to start the meaningful conversation between brands and the gaming industry. And for us, this has not just been a report, it has been a labor of our love and admiration for this entire gaming community. And I feel together, if we work, we can build a gaming nation with the support of everyone.
On stage, वक्त आ गया इस ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग रिपोर्ट की ऑफिशियल अनवेलिंग का. स्पेशल मोमेंट के लिए मैं स्टेज पर इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा द फॉलोइंग एस्टीम्ड गेस्ट्स. And please, as they walk on stage, I would love everyone to give a round of applause. Narayan Sir, Devanathan, President and Chief Strategy Officer, South Asia, who started it all off as far as the report was concerned. We'll have you on stage. Mr. Amit Wadhwa, CEO, South Asia, Dentsu Creative. Anita Kotwani, CEO, Media South Asia, Dentsu. Sujata Dwibedi, Chief Investment and Trading Officer, Amplify Dentsu India. Anandita Sarkar, Vice President, Brand and Communications, South Asia, Dentsu. Prabhu Preet Ahuja, Deputy Research Manager, Dentsu India. Mr. Siddharth Laik, Founder and Editor-in-Chief, IWM Buzz Media. And the man who's made tonight possible, Ketaki Bihari, Deputy Brand Manager, Brand Communications and Retail for KFC. Mr. Akshay Vadera, Brand Manager, Allied Blenders and Distillers Limited. Divyansh Singh, Co-Founder and Investor, Naptix. Neha Sethi Mehta, Sales Lead, Ampers DMI. Can I have everyone on stage? And a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to officially launch the report. And can we have my team just start handing out the reports with the ribbons? It's very simple. I'll give you the reports. There's a ribbon. On the count of 3, once you've all got it, we'll unveil all these ribbons. And then it'll be there. Ladies and gentlemen, the fantastic report that is going to maybe change the face of gaming. A little bit of it you saw in the presentation. And the next award is Epic Streamer of the Year, Female. And the nominees are Rose P.N. Rose Chaudhary, Dipanshi Dobby Rawat, Payal Gaming Dhare, Kashvi Kash Plays Hiranandani, Shagufta Zaya Iqbal, Mehak Mizo Plays, Sakshi Shetty, Saloni Mili Kandal Gaonkar, Krutika Plays Oja, and Monica Sherlock Jeff. I'd like to call Pallavi Jha, Deputy Brand Manager, Social Media and Content, KFC, back on stage. Welcome back.
Okay, so we're back to the Epic Streamer of the Year Female. And I'm very happy to be presenting this to Mehak Mizo Plays.
This is their moment of glory, and it's about time that we actually give a little bit of support also. It looks nice, yeah.
Many congratulations, Mehak.
Something special that you want to say to the people, to your friends, family? क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
A year ago, I think I won Stylish Gamer of the Year.
Yeah.
And I had told my chat कि next time gaming से related कुछ चाहिए.
Nice.
And then it happened this year, so I'm really grateful for winning this gaming epic.
What was the
gaming
change that you made since last year to this year, so that maybe they took your gaming a little bit more seriously this year?
I think I've been doing the same thing for the longest time.
Nice.
I think I stream a lot of games, and
Yeah.
I think this year I focused on streaming both PC games and mobile games. So I feel like I very much deserve this, and thank you so much
Absolutely.
to everyone.
Yeah. Presenting the next segment of awards brought to you by our epic food partner, KFC. And to present the next set of awards, let's welcome the coolest, the iconic, the OG celebrity chef, KFC's very own, Colonel Sanders. There he is. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause. Welcome. Moving on to the winner.
And the winner is Naman Mortal Mathur. Let's give it up for him. Hello, Naman. How are you doing? You looking spiffy. Congratulations and all the very best.
So, Naman couldn't make it here. He's busy with his personal affairs. So, yes, but very much deserving. उससे ज़्यादा ये deserve कोई नहीं कर सकता. He has been my idol. मैं fan boy करता था एक time पे Mortal को. He was the one जिसने वो interest जगाया मेरे लिए. आज मैं वो streamer बन चुका हूँ, but एक time पे वो वही था जिसकी वजह से मैंने ये सब start किया.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
The Epic Gamer of the Year Female, and the winner is Kashvi. Kash Plays Hiranandani. They're looking lovely.
Just on winning this incredibly epic award.
Say a
you can
few
have
words.
A few words. Yes.
Thank you, and thank you for the lovely compliment. I am truly grateful to the people. I think I've met the right people along the way, and I'm going to be eternally grateful to them. If it had not been for Scout, I would have given up long ago. Thank you so much to my team at 8-Bit Creatives and S8UL. Goli Bhai, Mortal, and especially Thug have always been with me along the way. It's my third year at this award and my third year winning something or the other.
There you go. So that's a three-peat. You're actually the first one with a three-peat over here who's come on stage. All right, moving on. Presenting the award for Esports Organization of the Year. The nominees are Global Esports, Godlike Esports, S8UL Esports, Marcos Gaming, God's Reign, Revenant Esports, Orangutan, Entity Gaming, Blind Esports. And to present this award, I'd like to call a few people on stage. Akshay Bardapurkar, founder and director of Planet Marathi OTT. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Kamlesh Jain, co-founder and CRO, Naptix. And Sujata Dwivedi, Chief Investment and Trading Officer, Amplify Dentsu India. Welcome, sir.
It's S8UL Esports.
S8UL Esports, congratulations. They've all been instrumental in giving this award across. And all repeat winners on stage now also. So welcome. You've joined the party for the repeat winners. Congratulations.
Thank you, the jury, and our lovely audience who support us. Thank you so much for always supporting S8UL and our lovely family for being together from so many years. So yeah, thank you so much for the lovely award.
Surabhi Samriddhi, famously known as Chinky Minky, I'd like to call you on stage. Vishal Parekh, COO, Cyber Power PC India, and Franklin Toscano, founder and CTO, IWM Buzz Media. Can we have you on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause. We're coming to the big awards. Okay.
Good evening,
And the ladies to
everyone.
do the honors? Yes, please.
And the winner is Payal Gaming.
Congratulations, Payal. गेमिंग की दुनिया हर साल नए आइडियाज और इनोवेशन से इवॉल्व हो रही है. कुछ आईपीज ऐसे होते हैं जो ना सिर्फ हमें एंटरटेन करते हैं बल्कि गेमिंग के पॉसिबिलिटीज को रीडिफाइन करते हैं. ये अवार्ड उन क्रिएटर्स के लिए है जिन्होंने अपने विजन और ओरिजिनलिटी से एक ऐसा इनोवेटिव आईपी बनाया जो सबके दिल और दिमाग पर छा गया. प्रेजेंटिंग द कैटेगरी फॉर इनोवेटिव आईपी ऑफ द ईयर, एंड द विनर इज
Trinity Gaming.
Oh, that was quick. Yeah. Yes, thank you, sir. अगला अवार्ड उनके लिए है जो गेमिंग फैंस के असली फेवरेट्स हैं. वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो हर ई स्पोर्ट्स टूर्नामेंट में अपना मैजिक दिखाते हैं और फैंस का दिल जीत लेते हैं. प्रेजेंटिंग द इंटेल कोर अल्ट्रा फैन फेवरेट ई स्पोर्ट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द ईयर. That's a lovely large title. Let's hear it for them. Godlike Esports, Team X Spark, Revenant Esports, SATUL Esports, Global Esports, Orangutan, Team Tamilas, Entity Gaming, Blind Esports. I'd like to call on stage Snehil Mehra, Aditya Pandit, Director, Digital Planning, Dentsu Agency Partner for Intel, and Sunil Sethi, Founder and Director, Art Media Advertising, on stage to give out the next set of awards. Welcome back, Aditya. Sunil ji, yes, there you are. The winner, आपके हाथ में.
And the winner is Godlike Esports.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is almost like a grand finale. We've arrived at the end of this wondrous evening. But before we end this night, we'd like to thank our sponsors and partners. First of all, I want to thank you all. Big round of applause for all of you all. Well done. First time winners, multiple winners. It's always fun. Just enjoy every moment and get those lovely lights at home also, or Instagram par dho dalna with your awards. Huh? It's always going to be fun. Intel presents Dentsu IWM Buzz India Gaming Award Season 3, powered by Epic Food Partner KFC, in association with Sterling Reserve, Naptics, the partners Ampers, DMI Pulse, Radio City, White Frames, Art Media, an initiative by IWM Buzz Live, creative partner Indian Storytellers, and a huge round of applause for everyone that came on board. It took a couple of SMSs, it took a couple of WhatsApps. I think Siddharth has been instrumental in making sure that it all goes on. He's always smiling. I've never seen him stressed. It really takes a lot to keep putting things together. When you have an idea for an award, we've all tried to make ideas of IPs. And we all get frustrated because when we make phone calls, you wait 24 hours for a WhatsApp. Sometimes you see a double tick, sometimes you see blue tick, and you go, yaar, koi reply nahi kar raha. Phir aap mail karte ho. And to see it in its third year is truly commendable. So Siddharth, I really want to give a round of applause to you. You've been fantastic. And you're taking this game forward is fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, आज की शाम एकदम कमाल की है. हमने गेमिंग के लेजेंड्स को सेलिब्रेट किया है, नए स्टार्स को रिकॉग्नाइज किया है, फ्यूचर को रिकॉग्नाइज किया है और गेमिंग की उस स्पिरिट को सैल्यूट किया है जो हमें एक साथ जोड़ता है. आज के इंडियन गेमिंग अवार्ड्स 2024 ने इस इंडस्ट्री के सबसे बेस्ट टैलेंट और क्रिएटिविटी को स्पॉटलाइट में लाए हैं. दिल से शुक्रिया अदा मैं करना चाहूंगा टू ऑल द विनर्स, all the nominees. In fact, so many nominees actually won awards, so you pretty much all won. Sare fans that have made you all so big and that keep making this continue to grow. Gaming sirf ek entertainment nahi, balki ek culture hai. It's now become a lifestyle. It's now become fantastic. एक connection है जो हमें एक साथ रखता है. लेकिन जैसे हर गेमर जानता है, ये end नहीं है, ये तो बस एक नए level की शुरुआत है. तब तक keep gaming, keep innovating, keep inspiring everyone, never say die. Come 12 nominations, win 2 of them. That's brilliant. Be the next Leonardo DiCaprio. Dinner is served, which is free, which you all deserve. Thank you so much. Good night. This is Salil signing out. If he's signing off 5 years, I'm back next year for sure. So I'll see you all.